Hi guys, I posted this clip the other day and as you can see it appears the propeller is not moving, or the propellers are not moving, and it's quite a simple thing really. Why? It's that my iPhone was set to film at 60 frames per second, so when the Logan Air is on full power it's rotating at exactly the frame speed, 60 frames a second, which is why you can see this Aer Lingus ATR which is taxiing and this Lux Air which is taking off. That rotation of those propellers is not matching 60 frames a second, whereas this Orony off the Guernsey is rotating to match the 60 frames per second. So that's why when you see a video of an aeroplane and the propeller appears to not be moving, it's because it's matching the frame rate, the shutter speed of the camera. Thanks guys, bye for now.